Welcome to the journey of understanding arthritis, a condition that affects millions of lives worldwide. Arthritis, in its simplest terms, is inflammation of the joints. It manifests as pain and stiffness, often limiting mobility and quality of life. But what leads to this inflammation? It's a complex interplay of various factors. Age, for instance, increases the wear and tear of our joints. Family history plays a role too, as arthritis can indeed run in families. And let's not forget lifestyle. An inactive lifestyle or occupations demanding repetitive movements can push the joints beyond their threshold. It's like a machine constantly running without adequate rest or maintenance. The result? Inflamed, painful joints, the hallmark of arthritis. It's a story of how our bodies react to age, genetics, and lifestyle. Understanding the root cause of arthritis can help in managing the pain effectively. Did you know that nutrient deficiency can exacerbate arthritis symptoms? Yes, you heard right. Arthritis, the inflammation of the joints, can be aggravated by the lack of certain essential nutrients in your diet. For instance, omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, play a crucial role in reducing arthritis symptoms. A deficiency in these fatty acids can lead to increased inflammation, thereby worsening the pain. Similarly, vitamin D and calcium are essential for bone health. A deficiency in either of these nutrients can lead to weakened bones and joints, making arthritis symptoms more pronounced. So, what's the solution? A balanced diet rich in these essential nutrients can help manage arthritis. Include foods like fatty fish, rich in omega-3, and dairy products fortified with vitamin D and calcium in your diet. Remember, your body's health largely depends on what you feed it. Ensuring a well-balanced diet can go a long way in managing arthritis pain. What can you include in your diet to manage arthritis better? Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts can help reduce inflammation. Leafy greens and dairy products rich in calcium contribute to bone health. Don't forget sunlight and vitamin D-rich foods like mushrooms and egg yolks. Supplements can also be useful, but remember to consult with a healthcare professional first. Remember, the right food choices can be your best defense against arthritis pain. We hope this information was valuable to you. If you found this beneficial, why not give it a thumbs up? Sharing is caring, so spread the knowledge with friends and family. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to drop us a comment. Stay in the loop for more health insights and holistic remedies by hitting the subscribe button for Remedy Seeker. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Together we can manage arthritis and live a pain-free life.